Cloud Natural Language API Quick Start. This is the GSP number 097. Click on Start Lab. Open Console Cloud in an incognito window. Click on I understand. Click on I agree and continue, and then click on activate cloud set. Okay. Click and continue and authorize it. Now go to the Cloud Hustler GitHub repo. Copy the command from here. Copy this command and paste on the terminal. Live has been completed. You can go on the cloud series documentation and you can check it.